Hi, my name is Brandy. I'm with Brushed by Brandy, and I'm here today to talk to you guys a little bit about Dixie Belle White Lightning Cleaner. So White Lightning is a granulated powder formula that comes in an 8-ounce container just like this. And I would compare it to the consistency of a coarse table salt. So the instructions on White Lightning say to mix 2 heaping tablespoons per gallon of water. Now, I don't usually mix my White Lightning by the gallon. I actually usually mix it into a spray bottle of water. And so I'm going to go ahead and mix my White Lightning here with you guys today. So because I'm mixing less White Lightning than the actual gallon that it recommends, I will mix the proportional amount to my spray bottle as that recommendation. So I'm going to go ahead and take a tablespoon of my White Lightning. You can see the consistency there. And then I'm going to use a funnel to get this into my spray bottle. So you do want to use warm water when you're mixing your White Lightning, and the warm water will help those granules dissolve into the water that much better. So now that I've got my White Lightning in my container, I'm going to go ahead and put my spray bottle back together, and then I can shake this, and that will dissolve that White Lightning up into the warm water. So now I've got a pre-mixed bottle of White Lightning that I can use to clean all of my pieces as I go. So when I'm cleaning with White Lightning, I do like to wear gloves, and White Lightning is very low odor. It does not burn your skin or anything, but anytime you're working with chemicals, I do like to take the precaution of wearing gloves to protect my skin. So with my gloves on, I can come and I'm going to spray this piece behind me. And I wouldn't regard this piece as overly dirty, but it does have dust on it. And I'm always surprised what the White Lightning removes from a piece. So then I will generously spray my piece with White Lightning. And I like to use an abrasive pad. This is just an SOS pad, but a kitchen sponge works great. Any kind of sponge that you want to scrub your piece with. And I will lightly scrub this piece of furniture. I do this after I've removed all of my hardware from my piece, and I just go drawer by drawer and I'm going to scrub this. Paying attention to any spots that I really want to make sure get removed. Okay, once I've sprayed that and scrubbed it really well, I will take a clean paper towel, and this is where you get to see what your White Lightning has removed. So just wiping down one drawer, this is what I'm cleaning off of this piece, which is not a fairly old piece, but this is years of finger dirt, oils, furniture polishes, and things like that are what I'm wiping back from this furniture piece. Okay, disgusting. So once I feel like I've gotten my piece fairly clean, you then want to take just plain water. You can leave behind cleaning residues with any type of cleaner that you use, so you want to rinse your piece free of any cleaning residue as well. So after your White Lightning, make sure you do a pass with clean water. And same process, and then I will wipe that pure water back with a paper towel. And once those steps are done, my piece is ready to start adding some paint to.